Hey guys, I've got a 4-week Zoom class coming up in April. It's going to be April 6th, 13th, 20th, and 27th, I believe, 7:30 p.m. Central Time, each of those Monday nights. This is going to run through the Nashville Acoustic camps. And what we're going to do is we're going to cover a lot of what you've actually requested. We're going to cover right-hand technique in detail, left-hand technique. We're going to talk about syncing up the hands. And the main goal is not just speed, that will be a huge topic, but also getting better tone, volume, and clarity as we attain that speed. So we're going to talk about speed bursts. I'm going to show you some specific things I did to develop my speed, but again, the emphasis on good tone, good volume, good clarity, along with speed. Speed does not matter without any of that. So we'll talk about all these things. We're going to talk about getting up the neck a little bit, kind of some of that functional harmony, mapping of the fretboard, but we're going to, again, apply it back to speed bursts and getting your hands up a notch or two from where they are right now. I think that's going to be something that a lot of you struggle with, and this is stuff that has been requested of me to teach. One thing I want to do when I get up the neck is also talk about pentatonic scales. A lot of you get stuck in your pentatonic boxes, and I have some ideas there, and I have some custom-made pentatonic scales, I guess you could say, that I like to use that get me out of the typical boxes, or at least blend the typical boxes into a new territory, maybe, to give it a new sound. So we'll talk about that. And lastly, I think one last thing I would like to go over is just some little tricks and tips to make your playing sound less beginner or intermediate, more advanced, more seasoned. And some of those ideas that I have are left-hand ornaments, using triplets in your lines, both the picked kind and the slurred kind, and also sweep picking and using sweeps. We're not talking like shredder sweep picking. We're talking about tasteful sweeping within, bluegrass lines and melodies. And I have some ideas there, and we'll apply these to tunes. There will be handouts, and if you can't make the class, and attend it live, that's okay. It's going to all be recorded. You'll get all the video content. You'll get all the handouts and PDFs that I have to give you, and so you won't miss out on anything. You can watch it on your own time. NashvilleAcousticCamps.com. There's a better description, kind of going into the details I've said here, and you can pay for the class. You can get it all figured out from there. So NashvilleAcousticCamps.com. These are the 4 Mondays in April at 7:30 p.m. Central Time on Zoom. I'll see you there.